Is after the awaiting period of the last video I dropped, which have to talk much about the basic method we can use to create a Klasha app. So in today's tutorial, I decided to record the video on how we can as well fund this Klasha app, because the first one discussed much better on how we can create a verified account with this guy. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be coming with how we can fund this card, and also in my next one, I think I'll be releasing the two video at once. So in my coming video, I'm going to be talking much about how we can convert that money to virtual card. First time of coming across my YouTube channel, this is Zionhublogistics. We discuss money, we discuss mini importation, we discuss e-commerce, and this is a community. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I beg you to subscribe, please. I always beg you guys to subscribe to my YouTube so I can just reach 1K. Once we reach 1K, I will select randomly out of my clients, both my clients and my students. So I'm going to be giving out my t-shirts, these branded Zionhublogistics t-shirts. So I'm going to be giving out to my best students and my clients as well. So please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wanted to do something new this time around as well, in the sense that I will definitely use that virtual card. Since I've already funded it, I'm going to use it to buy something on Amazon or maybe AliExpress. So the first person to comment, I'll be giving the thing out for that person. Like, I'll buy the item and I'll just dash the person, right? So what you want to do is to subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, then like that video. So once I post or release this video, just go and say first to comment, and I will definitely do that, and I mean it. I'm going to show you guys. So let's dive into today's tutorial. Alright guys, so this is my Klasha app. You can see that my balance in there is I'm having 0.00 naira in my wallet. So I haven't found this account. So this is a very quick one. You can use a two method to fund it, where you are seeing virtual accounts, and they give me Sterling Bank, and that is the account number. So you can just copy then send directly to this account. So I think it will definitely take roughly 5 minutes, or it depends on the network, for this money to be reflecting on this account, right? So after it reflects, I'm going to be showing you in my next video on how you can convert the money to get your virtual dollar card for your international transactions. Okay, so I recorded a video in the past about how to create a Klasha app, then different settings that you are going to be doing when it comes to the verification. All right, but if you find yourself watching this video, you might be having a problem in funding your Klasha naira wallet, right? So what you want to do is to click on this fund wallet here. So once you click on fund wallet, it takes you here. So you can see that the minimum you can send or fund this wallet is 100 naira, and the maximum is 5 million naira. Guys, your deposit is always secure with these guys, trust me. Okay, so let me play with just 8,000 naira. I want to fund this account with 8,000 naira. And what I love about Klasha app is whatever it is that you fund is what you are going to be getting on your balance. There is no reduction fee or any transaction fee on the depositing transaction, okay, unless you want to use your card to fund. So let me click on continue now. So you see what I just said now. How do you want to fund your wallet? So if you are using a bank transfer, it's free, and if you are using your card, they are going to charge you 1.2 of whatever you are funding. And if you want to use USSD code, it's also free. But in my own case, I'll just stick around with bank transfer. So you can see we have please read this instruction before doing anything. Send NGN 8,000 naira to your permanent account number with your BVN verified. You can now enjoy streamless transaction to this account number. So you own this account number by default. If anybody is to transfer money into this account number, you will definitely see it in your balance. All right, so you click on copy now, then I go to my Kuda app to just fund it. If you want me to help you fund your early pay, you're having issues when it comes to your running adverts, maybe you're running adverts, your payment is being disabled, you have any issues in regardless of mini importation 1688, you can do what to reach me live on my WhatsApp via my phone number 081-600-87598. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp, on Instagram at Zionhublogistics. You can also chat me on my Facebook handle at Zionhublogistics. So let me head over now to my Kuda app to send this guy this money. So guys, I have my Kuda in here. So what I want to do is to search for the bank, which is Sterling Bank. Okay, this is Sterling Bank, and I copy and paste this account number here. Then let me wait for this guy to search this account number to verify. So we have my name, you can see we have Samuel Joshua, and remember we are just transferring 8,000 naira to this guy. So let me just put in narration A B C D blah 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 blah, done. Then I click on transfer. All right, then I input my PIN here. So let's wait. All right, we've sent 8,000 naira to this guy in here. You can see we have different notification, and let me click on OK. Then we go back to our Klasha app to wait to receive these funds. Okay, you know I told you before now that it depends on the network, but you should get these funds within 5 minutes. You should get these funds within 5 minutes. Okay, so let's just wait. Let's wait till we get this these funds. All right, you can see even without pausing this video, you can see that we have a notification that I just received a payment, right? So now let me just refresh my, it's not even up to 1 minute now. Let me refresh my balance, and bam, we get our 8,000 naira, guys. So this is how you can fund your Klasha wallet with your NGN. As I said earlier, please do well to subscribe. In my next video now, I'm going to be teaching us how we can convert this 8,000 naira to get our virtual card. So this virtual card, you can definitely use it on Amazon, Shopify, Netflix. You can use it on AliExpress, Alibaba, Taobao, Pinduoduo, VPay Fast. You can use their what's it called? You can use their virtual card to buy on this platform. I can guarantee you that it's going to work, and I'm going to be doing a live tutorial on it as well. Do you get it? So now in my next video, please, I'm going to release the video soon. I think in 2 days time, or after this video, I'm just going to work on it and drop it. So do well to subscribe, so YouTube will be able to notify you after I have released the video. So please like that button, and reach me out on my Instagram handle for more questioning, mentorship, importation courses, Facebook complete advert courses, how to target the right audience. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.